In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a subscribe button just like me onto your YouTube videos. So for that, you want to go into your YouTube Studio. Let me just go back because this is already where you can do this, but you want to go into your YouTube Studio, click on settings right here. Once you're in settings, you can click on channel and then click on branding. Then once you're here, you will find a video watermark. So if I just remove mine, you can see how you can do this. So adding a video watermark to your content is a great way to improve brand awareness and channel recognition. So you can click on choose image right here, and you want to make sure that it's a PNG file and that it's 150 by 150 pixels. So you can go to Google and then search for subscribe button PNG and then that size, okay, which is just like that. Then hit images and then you can find one that you can actually add. So find a picture with the correct size, then save it on your PC, click on choose image and then select that picture. And there you go. You can then choose to do this for the entire video. You can choose a custom start time, or you can do it at the end of the video. I recommend doing this for the entire video because it will give more incentive to actually subscribe, right? Because not everyone makes it to the end. But that's how you can add a subscribe button to your YouTube videos in 2020. If the video helps you out, please leave a like, I would appreciate that. And let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.